maraming salamat po sa lahat ng taong dumating, sa lahat ng umiinom. Salamat po kayo. Sino pa nagkakaroon nito next song? Siyempre, alam naman natin. Alam niyo to kasi isa tong kantang napakaganda. Kaka-inspire. Maraming magkasindahan, maraming magkakaibigan na ginagawa ng team song para sa kanila. Sana po magustuhan niyo itong next song. Kung alam niyo po yung next song, sabayan niyo po kami paano tayo ng chorus. Ang saya-saya pakinggan kapag madami yung kumakanta natin sa chorus. It's amazing how without saying a word, I have done all. It feels like I can never explain why you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a thing in your life saying you never do. When you say that all day long I can hear people talking about why do they can never define what's been said between your and mine. Okay, sabay-sabay po tayo. Pwede po bang sabay-sabay po tayo? Okay lang. Pwede. Okay. Okay, magbibilang po ako ha. From 1 to 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Sadali. May pakinggan. May go pa pala. Hindi ko naisip. May go pa pala. So, bali yung go. Bali pang-apat yun. So, pag nag-go, after ng go, kanta po tayo. Sabay-sabay po tayo. Bali, kung iisipin, limang bilang yun. Yung go pang-apat. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! On your face, let me know that you need it. The thing in your eyes, saying you never leave me. The touch of your hands says you can't see. Whenever I call, you say things when you say nothing else. Ako na ba? Dali,